Welcome to our Airbnb in Baixa-Chiado. Come on in. So here we have the front way. If you like walking upstairs, you can walk up 5 flights, or you can take the elevator with me. As you can see, the elevator comes very quickly. And from the front here, it smells very clean. It's been very clean the whole time. We are actually doing this room tour on our last day. We are about to check out. So at least we experienced this place prior to doing a room tour to give you more information. So I found this complex to be quite quiet and pretty safe. Come on in. This unit is quite bright and it has a lot of external sunshine, which I absolutely love, with lots of lights as well. So come on in. We're gonna start with the washroom. Our washroom was I found it to be pretty spacious. We have a beautiful shower. We have a gorgeous sink with a big mirror. This was enough room for me and Michael. And then just behind the door here, we have our toilet and our bidet. Very clean, again, with lots of towels. We did have a lot of towels. Over here we have our kitchenette, which to be honest, we did not use much of, but if you'd like to cook here, you have the option to do so. There is a stove, there's an oven, and then there is a lot of accessories with a coffee maker as well, and lots of storage. Over here we do have a washing machine. There is no dryer, however that's pretty common in Portugal on these Airbnbs, but if you like to wash your clothes, you can do so and then hang them, which I'll show you. There's a hanging area as well. We have our sink. We have some more space here, so you have our garbage and some accessories if you need any extra sponges or anything. And then we have our cutlery over here, lots of it, which was nice if you're gonna utilize that. And then again, some more cupboard space. Come over here, you have a closet with an ironing board, which is great if you want to iron your clothes. Then we have our small breakfast table. This was a nice area that we got to enjoy, eat, and enjoy our coffee on. So that's lovely. It's actually pretty big enough for 2 people though, so that's great. Moving on, we have a huge L section couch. And to be honest, it was very comfy. We didn't spend too much time inside the Airbnb, as this Airbnb is located in the best location. Everything is approximately 1 to 2 minute walk at most. If you want to go to a restaurant, if you want to go to a cafe, everything is very close by, including shopping. But here is our L section if you do want to enjoy some TV. We have a TV as well here. And again, very, very spacious. If you come over here, there's also additional storage for your clothing, and the iron is in this. Should have mentioned that earlier. The iron is separate from the ironing board in this cabinet here, but then you have more cabinets if you want to put any clothing or any shoes if you're staying here long term. That's available for you. And then in this corner, like I mentioned, is the drying rack. So pull it out a little bit for you to see, but there's a drying rack if you need it. And then we have our gorgeous window. This honestly is one of my favorite features. I did sit here, I took some photos, I hung out here. Honestly, it's very comfy, it's cozy, and when the sun is shining, you get some extra sunshine and heat. If it's too much sunshine for you though, you can close these up here, just like that, and then it will be nice and dark. Also, this Airbnb has AC, which kept us nice and cool. So if you'd like, you can turn on the AC. Right now, the AC is not running and it's a comfortable temperature, but if it gets too hot, you have that option. All right, moving on to the bedroom. So the bedroom is also very, very spacious. When you walk in here, you can see that we have all of our luggage here that's not taking up much space at all. There's a beautiful length mirror here, so if you want to check out your clothes or do your makeup here, that's an option. Behind the door here, there's also a lot of closet space. So there is 3 closets here with more than enough space to put your shoes, clothes, etc. Over here we have our bed. Now this bed was quite, I don't know what size it is, but it's quite big and comfy. Very, very, very comfy and cozy. We slept here, we spent a lot of time here sleeping in today as well, and honestly it's very, very cozy. And the sheets are very clean. So again, this spot is super clean. There's no dust, which we love. Now, if you come with me, we have one more window. And again, some of my favorite features here, having the window. The window here does open up and there is no screen, which we're not used to. We're Canadian, so to see no screen is a little bit scary for us, but honestly, it's a gorgeous window. Beautiful, lots of, again, sunshine in this room. But yeah, here is our space. We absolutely fell in love with it. We were here for 3 nights, and again, it's been more than enough. Very spacious, very bright, did the job well, and honestly, we would probably come back to this location because again, it was in a central location, very easily accessible to many things, including the train station and the metro, which is just down the street. Also, one main feature that I absolutely love that I didn't mention yet is the aesthetic. The aesthetic of this place is absolutely fantastic. Just like right here, you can see the lights here, gorgeous. Everything ties in quite well. A lot of neutral colors in the condo too, and it just leaves that extra visual to your eye, which is very lovely. So I love aesthetic places, and this place was very aesthetic. Furthermore, the Airbnb also has Wi-Fi, so if you need to get onto your computer or you want to access Wi-Fi through your trip, there was no issues whatsoever. The Wi-Fi worked pretty well here and we had no problems. If you want to see more room tours just like this, please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you would stay at this Airbnb. We will see you in the next one.